In this video, I'm gonna be making quesadillas because of popular demand from my friends. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make quesadillas, okay? So yeah, catch you in the video. See ya. What's up, internet? It's Link again, and today I just wanted to, have a fun time. I wanted to show you how I make quesadillas, because why not? Quesadillas are one of my favorite things to eat, so I was just like, hey, why not make a video of how I make them on my YouTube channel? So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today, and I'll be teaching you how I make my type of quesadillas that I eat almost on a daily. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, the things you're going to need in this video are a cutting board, a knife, some tapatio sauce to add some flavor and some spice into it, some no stick spray. I got the butter version so that the quesadillas don't stick to the pan or the whatever surface you're cooking it on, and some Colby Monterey Jack cheese. This is my favorite. You can use any cheese you want to, but this is my preferred kind. So yeah, let's get cooking. Okay, over here, instead of using a pan, I just use a copper skillet, and we'll just turn that to about 300, 350. And before doing anything else, gotta add the butter spray. You can just use regular butter, just butter spray like this. And what I like to do, just to spread it around easier, I just take a paper towel and then just spread that all over so it's nice and even everywhere. There we go. And then, I like to eat my quesadillas in large amounts, so we're about to have 7, 8 quesadillas. So yeah, we're just gonna let these cook, and we'll just go and get the cheese and get the hot sauce. Right, and for the cheese, what we really need to do, we're not really gonna be cooking them on the skillet or anything. The thing that I like to do is just cut it into thick pieces. Okay, so just cut it like that, and then just make these long little chunks, kind of like cheese, like mozzarella sticks. Okay. If they're too thick, just cut them in half. Like that. Cut them in half again. Okay. And these, just keep flipping them until they have all these brown spots on them, so that's how you know they'll get pretty done. What I like to do is cook it until it's pretty crispy. So, just keep turning these for a few more minutes, making sure they're good. This one's almost done right here. Okay. No. 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 Okay, yeah. These are almost done right here. They should have all the golden brown patches on the bottom and the top. So they're looking pretty tasty right now. Okay, all these are looking pretty done, so I'm gonna just take them off here and put them on the plate. Next, we're gonna be taking the cheese and microwaving them. If you want to make it easier without the mess and add more cheese, you can just cut the cheese slices into very thin pieces of cheese and then just lay them down on here. Just like that. So you get all the cheese you need. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, so the thing I forgot to put in this video is that this is actually another way you can make quesadillas in packs or groups. The other one was just for a solo quesadilla, but yeah, this is a quick and easy way to make multiple of them. The way I did it was at 6 at a time, but the way I was doing it before with that one quesadilla is about 1 at a time. So yeah, I just wanted to put that in there. Okay, so we just take, I don't know, about 2 of them, 3 of them. Get the slices of cheese. And then just put them in the middle and just wrap them up like that. Just like little tacos. And just put them side by side like this. And to better hold them together, I just put a toothpick in between them so that they can all melt at the same time without it getting to be a mess. You know, like going in any opposite directions or anything. So yeah, just put that right there. And you can have room for a few more too if you want to. So just grab a couple more of the quesadillas, or the tortillas rather. You get them. I just like that, and then you go and pop them in the microwave. And then just pop them in here for about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you should be all set. And put that one in for about 20 seconds. And just enjoy. Oh, that smells delicious. Right? And they come out just like this. Yeah, there is a little bit of a mess, but hey, I love that, honestly. Yeah. And what I love to put on my quesadillas is a little bit of spice. So I got some tapatio sauce, and I just enjoy the quesadillas from there. Just drizzle it on there. Boom. Easy quesadilla. Oh, shit. I'm spilling it. Look at that beauty. It's evenly cooked. I love that. I've never gotten a result this perfect before. And then just add some tapatio to it, and that should give it a really good spice. Just like that. Heck yes. Ooh. Now that's a quesadilla right there. I love that. Ooh. That's amazing. You definitely need to try this. I'm telling you. Look at the cheese. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I thought it would just be a really chill and cool thing to do because, like, you know, I don't really know what I want to do with this on this channel, so I'm just doing things that I really enjoy and I just wanted to share it with y'all. So if you want me to do anything else, like, comment down below if you, like, I don't know, want me to cook again, want me to play a game, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Just, yeah, if you enjoyed, like the video down below. It really helps me know that you liked this type of content and you want more of it. Or if you want something else, just comment, let me know what's up. And consider subscribing if you like what you see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.